Hey guys, Nathan here with nsoliday.com, and I wanted to put together a short video on how you can actually buy a home in southern Indiana or in Kentucky with no money out of pocket. Basically, it's a zero down mortgage loan, and it all kind of depends on your area, on where you're located at, but we have several different loan options that can help you possibly buy a home with no money down. Now, the main one that we do is called the USDA Rural Housing Loan, and it's a great program. It does not fit all borrowers, because if you're in a populated area like Louisville, Jeffersonville, Clarksville, it probably won't work in those areas. But if you're outside of kind of the metro area, or if you're near Charlestown, Sellersburg, on the west side of New Albany on out, in the country a little bit, then it's a great program for you. The nice thing about it is we can actually go down to a 600 credit score on that program. So if you're thinking your credit score's low, or if Credit Karma is showing you at a 580 or 570, and you're not sure, what your credit score is, be sure to reach out to us. We'd love to take a look at it and see if you're over that 600 threshold, because we've helped a lot of people recently buy a home with a 601, 608 credit score, that other lenders and banks had told them that they could not buy a home, with that score, that they were going to have to work on their credit, and they turned them down. So definitely reach out to us and let us know that. The program's great. It gives a lot of flexibility on what you can do, and if you're renting right now, it's a perfect opportunity to move from renting a home to buying one with zero down. You can also own a home now if you're going to be selling that home, and buy another with this program. So if you think you're not going to make it very much money on the sale of your house, so you're afraid that you're not going to have much of a down payment, that's okay, because USDA can still be a great option for that. Now, on the flip side of that, if you're in Louisville, or if you're in Jeffersonville, Clarksville, New Albany, like we just mentioned, there's other programs too. So, for example, we've got a combo program, which is like an FHA loan that requires a 640 credit score or better. We do the VA loan down to a 580. So if you're a veteran, that's an awesome program. It's no money down, and it's a great way to access your benefit as a veteran there, to be able to do that. And so that could be a good option too. And there's no area restrictions on that. It basically goes off of your certificate of eligibility and that type thing. So anyway, if you have any questions, if you've been thinking about buying a house in Indiana or Kentucky, and you're not sure about your down payment, you don't have a lot of money saved up, but it's something that you've been wanting to do, reach out to us and we can talk about that. You can find us online at nsoliday.com. The link's below the video. You can go on there, you can apply online, and we'll be happy to double check your credit and give you a free credit review on what you can do and what you may qualify for. You can also text us at 812-650-0708. That's our office number, but you can call or text on that number, and we'd be happy to talk to you more about that. Or you can find us online on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere along those lines. So hope you're having a great day. If you're thinking about buying a house, definitely reach out to us. We'd love to help you, and we will talk to you soon.